Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about a common problem, how to recover data from a USB flash drive, whether you've accidentally deleted your files on your flash drive or it's corrupted and won't read. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to handle it. Before we dive into this recovery method, let's quickly answer some key questions. Why does data suddenly disappear from a perfectly good flash drive? There's 4 main reasons. Let's see if one of those apply to you. 1. Physical damage. This is the most common cause. Flash drives are really small and the connectors inside are especially fragile. If you apply too much force when plugging it in or unplugging it, or if you drop it on the ground and step on it by accident, these things may cause the pins or the connectors inside to break or get damaged, causing a loss of data. Second, viruses and malware. Flash drives are often used to transfer files between computers. This portability is convenient, but it can also be a downside. Plug your flash drive into an affected computer and it may devirus in no time. The malicious programs may either delete your files or corrupt your system, leaving you with some seemingly empty flash drive when you plug it back into your computer. 3. Overheating damage. Newer flash drives handle better, but older models aren't as resistant. If you leave your flash drive plugged into the PC for too long or leave it in a hot car, internal components can overheat and potentially melt, which would burn out the ports. When this happens, the interface will fail and your data becomes unrecoverable. 4. Human error. We've all been there. Forgetting to save a file after editing, closing a program before it finishes saving, or accidentally deleting something and emptying the recycling bin. These kinds of mistakes happen all too often. Now that we understand the common causes, let's get into the main point. There are 3 most effective methods to recovering data from your flash drive. We'll start with the free methods and then move on to the ultimate solution so you can pick the best option for your situation. Method 1, recovering via command prompt, aka CMD. The method is completely free and doesn't require any software installation. If you enjoy tinkering with your computer, you've probably used the tool before. It can help recover files lost due to accidental deletion, viruses, or USB corruption. It's easier than you might think. Just follow these steps. Step 1, plug your flash drive into your computer and make sure it's recognized, even if the files aren't accessible. Step 2, press Win+R, type CMD and hit Run as Administrator. Step 3, in the command window, type CHKDSK, followed by the USB flash drive letter. The full command will look like this. Hit enter. Now wait for the process finish. When it's done, open your USB and you should see a new folder with the lost files inside. A quick tip, recovered files might have a .chk extension. You can remove this extension and save them to your computer or another safe location. Method 2, via Windows built-in backup. This option is perfect if you have the Windows backup enabled on your system. Again, no extra software is needed. If you've set up these features, recovering your files is easy. Locate the folder on your USB where the files were originally stored. Right-click the folder and select Restore Previous Version. A window will pop up showing all available restore points of that folder. Pick the version you want to restore it. Remember, always enable system backups to make a habit regularly backing up your file. It will save you a lot of hassle when things go wrong. Method 3, professional recovery with PandaOffice Drecov. If the free methods don't work, here's the ultimate solution. PandaOffice Drecov, I've personally tested this tool countless times. Whether the files were deleted or the flash drive was formatted or the drive is corrupt, the software handles it all. It's so easy to use, even beginners can get it up and running with no time. Here's what you need to do. Visit the PandaOffice Drecov website or click the link in the video description and install the software. Launch the software and plug in your flash drive into your computer. Select Deep Scan Mode. This is essential as it digs deeper to find all the residual data, ensures no important files are missed. Once the scan finishes, you'll see your recoverable files organized by type: photos, documents, videos, text. Preview the files by double-clicking them. Hit recover and choose a safe location to save them. Do not save them back to the original location, as it might overwrite your data. PandaOffice Drecov is a lifesaver and supports over 1,000 file formats, from common files like JPEG to MP4 to specialized files. Whether you're recovering data from a flash drive, a hard drive, SD card, or any other external drive, it handles it all. It's definitely our data savior. That's it for today's tutorial on recovering data from a USB flash drive. These 3 methods, ranging from free to professional, cover all common USB data loss solutions. After watching this, accidents happen and file loss is unavoidable at times. But with the right tools and techniques, you can recover most of your valuable data. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share your experiences in the comments or ask any questions you may have. And of course, hit that subscribe button for more useful tips and give the video a like to show your support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.